In lieu of Pride festivals across the nation, it is so important that we still have a space to come together and hold for people to celebrate. What I first planned as an event to last a few hours grew significantly, so much so that I am happy to announce that Virtual Creative Pride is now an event planned for 2 full days with 50 creatives bringing you their talent. We are a community of what Ursula K. Le Guin would call adults who survived, and we each have our own story around what that means for us.
Your story matters.
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 We would love nothing more than to see you in a couple of weeks as we hang out live and experiment with all things creative, from painting to fiber art to inspiration to music to digital art to beauty tips to mixed media, you name it, there is a place for you here. And the best part is that this event is free. I'm Peggy Dean. I'm the founder of the Pigeon Letters. Most importantly, I've worked hard to develop a safe space of passionate artists of all skill sets and levels, and we are made up of love and humility and drive and also healing.
You belong.
You belong.
You belong.
You belong.
You belong.
You belong.
You belong. You belong.
You belong.
You belong.
Virtual Creative Pride is now open for registration, so be sure to claim your spot as this free event is limited to only 500 participants. Join us July 18th and 19th beginning at 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Head over to virtualcreativepride.com to snag your spot ASAP, and we will see you soon.